My name is Adil. For a long time, I had big dreams. I wanted success. I wanted recognition. I wanted a better life. Thinking about my dreams made me excited. I imagined my future again and again. But there was a problem. I spent more time dreaming than actually working. I talked about my goals. I planned many things. But my daily actions were weak. One day, I met my neighbor. He was a simple man. He worked quietly every day. He did not talk much about his goals. But slowly, his life was improving. I asked him, "How are you making progress so steadily?" He smiled and said, "I focus on today." I looked confused. He continued, "Dreams are important, but actions are more important. If you only think about the future, you forget the present." That sentence stayed in my mind. That evening, I thought deeply. I realized something important. Dreams give direction, but daily actions create results. The next day, I changed my approach. Instead of only thinking about big success, I focused on small daily tasks. Practice English for 20 minutes. Learn a few new words. Read a small paragraph. At first, it felt simple, but I stayed consistent. Days passed, weeks passed. Slowly, I noticed real improvement. My confidence increased. My understanding improved. Because I stayed grounded, I did not rush. I did not overthink. I focused on daily effort. Now, I still have big dreams, but I stay connected to the present because I understand something clearly. Dreams inspire you, but discipline builds you. And when you stay grounded, your dreams become real. Final thought. Have big dreams, but stay focused on small actions. That is how growth happens. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep chasing your dreams. And always remember, stay grounded and keep moving.